we start by creating a chain. To do that, we're going to yarn over, which means we're going to bring the yarn over the top of our hook. And then we're going to use the hook on the end there to grab the yarn and pull it through the loop that's up here on our hook. And that's one chain made. So let's do it again. We're going to yarn over the hook. So we're just putting the yarn over, and then we're going to pull it through. Yarn over. Now watch, when I pull it through, I am rotating my hook as it grabs that yarn to go through the loop. And then I'm pulling the loop up here onto the shaft of the crochet hook, the body. If I keep it down here, there's a bigger difference in the, now this hook not so much, but in some hooks this end is very tapered, more so than this one is, and if you hold it down here, it's just going to end up much smaller. This is what helps us size our crochet stitches basically, by pulling it up onto this more even portion of your crochet hook. So chain, your yarn over, and you're going to pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, rotate that hook so it comes through there, and pull through. Yarn over, and again, you're rotating, and why I say rotate is because then it fits through that loop easily. If we don't rotate and we just go through, it snags. It's a big pain in the butt. You're going to have trouble doing it. Okay?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.